NuTone's Haven backyard lighting and mosquito repellent system is an easy way to keep mosquitoes out of your backyard barbecues. Haven is the first product of its kind, combining outdoor lighting and season-long mosquito repellency in one effective, convenient system. Each fixture repels mosquitoes in an area of about 110 square feet, so just 4 fixtures will easily protect an average-sized patio or deck. If you already have landscape lighting, you can choose Haven repellent-only fixtures to protect your backyard. Either way, installation is a breeze. Plan your system so that you have one fixture every 10 to 12 feet around the area you wish to protect. Select a lighting power supply or transformer with a secondary output rating of 12 VAC or 15 VAC. The wattage should be greater than the combined wattage of all fixtures, but not more than 300 watts. Your cables should be 16, 14, or 12 gauge so your NuTone Haven fixtures light and repel properly. Next, assemble the fixtures for in-ground installation and map out where you want to stake the fixtures around your backyard area. Make sure you can easily access the fixtures to change the repellent cartridges. Use the included striker plate for hammering stakes into the ground. The top of the ground stake should be flush with grade level. Remove the wire ties from the fixture cables and straighten the wires before you guide the wires through the stem. Then insert the stem into the fixture head and tighten the set screw. Now it's time to connect the wiring for the repellent. Run one landscape cable between all of the fixtures and the power supply. Mark this cable repellent. Use the locking ring on the connector to separate and open the halves. There are 2 adapters provided. One is 16 to 18 gauge, the other is 14 to 16 gauge. Select the one that matches the gauge of your landscaping cable and slide it onto the cable. Insert the adapter and the cable into the lower half of the connector. To prevent corrosion and electrical faults, liberally apply silicone dielectric grease to the connector and cable insulation where it will be pierced. Now press the 2 halves together and turn the locking ring. There are metal tabs inside the connector that pierce the cable and make a positive connection when it's fully tightened. Locate the wire from the fixture marked repellent. The tinned end should be inserted into the openings on the upper half of the connector. When they are completely inserted and secure, apply dielectric grease to both holes. Repeat for each fixture. To connect the wiring for the lights, follow the same path and run your second landscaping cable between all fixtures and the power supply. Label this cable as LED light. You will make electrical connections using the connectors and adapters in the same way you connected the repellent. The tinned ends of the wire from the fixture marked LED light will be inserted into the openings on the upper half of the connector just as before. Be sure they are secure before you apply the dielectric grease to the holes. Now repeat these steps for each fixture. The optional Haven timer controller enables you to operate the lighting and repellent systems independently when powered by a single transformer. First, attach the landscape cables to the controller. You should have 2 lines for lights and 2 lines for repellent. Tuck the wires behind the controller so the box will close before you attach all 4 lines to the controller with a screwdriver. If you would like to use the optional photo sensor to activate either the lighting or repellent system, connect the sensor to the controller. Push down the tabs in the green attachment area, insert the wire, and release the tab. Your sensor is now attached. You'll use extra landscape cable to connect the controller to the transformer. Mount your controller using the screws and mounting plate provided. Then mount the sensor to the wall. Check to make sure the sensor is not blocked by any landscaping or artificial light. Wire your transformer and mount the transformer to the wall. Before you bury your landscaping cables, test the system to make sure your lights come on and your repellent is working. A green indicator light lets you know when the repelling system is on. If everything is working properly, you can bury your cables. Now you can install the mosquito repellent cartridge. Attach the locking adapter cap to the bottle and turn it until secure. Once it is attached, the cap will not come off. Disconnect the power to the fixture, insert the repellent cartridge into the fixture so the top of the wick fits into the vaporizer and rotate it about 30 degrees to secure it. Close the fixture's cover. Insert and tighten the screw to secure the fixture. Repeat the same steps for each fixture. Once each fixture has a cartridge, turn the power back on. Congratulations! Your Haven backyard lighting and repellent system is ready to go. Turn your backyard into a haven with NuTone's Haven backyard lighting and mosquito repellent system.